lovelies! So I am out in the garden today. I am facing my fears of my neighbours listening to me doing videos on my own in the garden and thinking I'm a freak, because they probably already think I'm a freak. So, to be honest, I have had a bit of a crap day, but luckily I have a spooky box here to open and cheer me up, so this arrived just in time. So the spooky box unboxings are starting back up again. There's been like no news in the hard drive. I'm just gonna leave it be, and if it ends up coming back to me then so be it, but at this point I am done chasing up about it because it's just not gotten me anywhere. But they've started up again, and this one is the Tales of Terror box. I'm so mad at the whole hard drive thing because the timing of it means I missed out on the Entomologists something box, and that was the one I was like most excited for because you guys know I love bugs, so I'm like, why? But I'm excited to see what's in the Tales of Terror box. So okay, oh, there's a pretty pin. Okay, I hope all the background noise out here isn't annoying. I was actually like, I was asked to do more videos out here after my outfit video, but I'm hoping that everyone was in agreement and it's not annoying to you guys, so do let me know. But I just thought it'd be nice because I am really enjoying the garden at the moment. But the first thing is a pin, and it's so cute, look at it. It says tell me a ghost story, and it has like little branches around it and a little moon, and it's just so cute and pretty. I actually did post on my sort of like community page yesterday as I'm recording this. I'm not sure if this will be up to, this video will be up tonight, so I'm not sure when, but I was asking you guys what you would think of me releasing pins like this. So for anyone who didn't understand what I meant by enamel pin, I mean things like this. So it's like these cool little like different shaped, pretty like hard pins. So yeah, let me know what you think of me starting to make these, because it's something I've wanted to do for a super long time and I can't remember. Oh yeah, I was waiting to see if I could do it through my merch team, but they haven't got a supplier yet, so I just decided, hey, I might just do it by myself. So let me know what you think of that, because I'm actually really excited by the idea and kind of just want to get started like now. But yeah, this is so cute. Oh, here's our little doodad. Do not let me forget to read this out. So this is a baddie planner slash book band. That's cute. So let me pop this out of its little package. Ooh, look how cute. So yeah, it's just on this little like elastic band, and then it has a little bat. I assume this is maybe to put around a book, like to keep it closed, unless it's meant to be used as like a type of bookmark, because I guess you could put it that way through the pages if it were a smaller book, but I would guess this is like you pop it around it and it stays closed. And that is so cute because I do like putting, or like bringing books out with me, but you know, putting them in my bag, they get all frumpled, so this would hold them together very nicely, I think. Oh, and in the same realm, oh, this is a baddie book slip cover, and this is what it looks like. Let's just take it out. So yeah, assuming your book is, you know, sort of average size, and oh, it's nice and like velvet inside. So it's this little thing. I don't really know what the material is. It reminds me like a bit like sort of a wetsuit, but it's not stretchy. So I don't know, but it's just purple with cute little bats, and then as I say, the inside feels like velvety, and it's just black. And yeah, you can just pop your book in there, so when it's in your bag it doesn't get all frumpled. That is so convenient. I haven't decided what I'm going to read this summer. I always get very into reading during the summer, but then like, I don't know what I want to go for this year, because I'm still very hung up on the last book I read, which I finished months ago, but I haven't let it go, and I'm like, I just want more of that, so I don't know what I'm going to go for. So the next thing is a Lollipop, and it's just a very cute little red and white swirly one. Jake usually ends up getting to these before I do. Ooh, we have something in a little pouch. So it is a necklace, and I'm not sure what the little end piece is meant to be. Maybe like a stake? Like as in, you know, for slaying vampires, but I'm not totally sure. I guess we'll find out when we read the little card, but it just has a tiny little skull up there. Ooh. So next up is a bloody bookmark. I always find the descriptive word bloody funny because it, you know, can mean covered in blood, or you know, that bloody bookmark. So that always amuses me more than it should. Oh, I see. I thought like this was just like the bookmark. It just poked myself in the eye. I thought this was just the bookmark, and I was like, okay, but it's actually like, I really want to slap someone with this, you know, just like But yeah, it's like a blood splat that you can put inside your book. That's really cool. Good for the old vampire novels. Actually, I could use this for my Poppy Said Bright books, which are the ones that I currently really want to just reread instead of, you know, expanding my horizons and reading something new. Ooh. Gosh, next up. Ooh, it's something big and heavy. Some sort of book by the looks of it. Ooh, look at it. So, I don't know what it is yet, but it is this very, very pretty, like, pretty hefty book of some sort, and it's covered in sort of like goldish spider webs with little stars, which I think is real cute. It's a bee or a wasp. And it has like a little bookmark, and it says Spooky Box Co. on the back. So let's see. Ooh, so it is actually just 100% blank, which I like. I really, really like. It's a wasp. It is the biggest wasp I've ever seen. Oh my god. It's gone. I like it whenever books are like completely blank, because then, you know, like if it's lined, that is convenient if you want to be writing stuff, but if you want to draw stuff, then you have ugly lines in the way. But this is just like lovely and blank. Oh, I need to start doodling more. But then whenever I get really pretty things like this, I don't want to like draw in them in case the drawing's not good and then I ruin it. So then I just have so many blank notebooks all over my house. Do you see the problem? But yeah, this is so pretty because you can write in it or draw in it, and then you get wait. There! Yes, that is how you do it. Okay, that's a B, that's fine. But yeah, and then ta-da! And I just noticed the button on this says Spooky Box. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, and I think there is one last thing in here. Ooh! Lost Letters sticky notepad set. Oh, what is it? Look how pretty this is. Oh, okay. Oh, cool! So it's like these little guys. So it's like just like normal like post-it notes, but they look all like old and like spooky and like burnt around the edges and stuff. That's really cool. I want to leave these all over everything now. That is like such a fun idea. I actually love that. I feel like that'd be really cute for like planners as well. Like if you had like a sort of like old or like vintage or like shabby chic kind of inspired planner, then I feel like these would be like really nice little sort of additions to it. I wish I was organized. Ironic as it is, I wish I were organized enough to use a planner. I have tried and I can't even accomplish that, so I am tragic, but I will definitely find a use for these because that is such a fun little idea. Okay, let's see what we got. So we got the custom made golden web journal. Yes, so that's what that is. It's a journal. Custom made Tell Me a Ghost Story pin. Yes, I love that one. It's so pretty. I think I've actually, yes, I do have one of my Spooky Box pins on today. It's the one that says At Rest. Custom made coffin nail necklace. That's what it is. It's a coffin nail. Custom made bat book slash planner band. Yes. Bloody bookmark. Betty book slip cover. Yes. Lost Letters sticky notepad set. Yes. And handcrafted gourmet lollipop. Yes. I really enjoyed this box. I'm so glad I got it. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know what you think of the whole pin thing, because I would really like to start making those. I already have some ideas. I've been talking through them with my Patreon supporters on Discord, and they've been helping me sort of like think of ideas and stuff, so that's been really fun. Speaking of Patreon, if you do want to join the Discord or just support this channel, don't forget to check that out. There is a link in the description below, and it is a fantastic way to support this channel. You can support for as little as $1 a month, and every little bit helps, so thank you so much to everyone who does support me on there. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about the whole recording in the garden thing. I hope like background noise wasn't too annoying, and I am aware I still speak in a much lower voice because I am still kind of paranoid. But yeah, it's nice out here, so I actually kind of enjoyed it despite my heightened anxiety and wasp attacks. But yes, do let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, lovelies!